One of the highlights sa Masangkay ang di na dapat palampasin na ito na nasa tabi lang ng Dinkape ay ang lechon ng Binondo. Dito ka lang makakahanap ng Manila lechon sa Binondo kasi ang mga susunod na lechon destinations ay nasa Laluma and Pateros if you want a popular suggestion. Pero tingnan muna natin kung pasado pa rin ba ang standards ng isang Manila lechon kahit nag-iisang stall lang siya na inaasahan natin, and we'll tell what really is an authentic taste of a lechon tastes like.
Noje.
Okay. That slab of fat. Noong 10 pa sila bukas, tapos 11 o'clock marami ng tao. Pero this is 5 o'clock PM. Pero ganun pa rin kalutong yung lechon. So it's still, nandun pa rin yung quality niya. Expect natin na masarap lang siya without the spice. May herbs man siya just like lemongrass since nilagay dito ng lemongrass. But overall, the taste of it is just as ordinary as just pork flavor. Balance yung meatiness and yung fattiness niya with the crispiness on the outside, okay. Compared to Cebu na, masarap din naman eh kasi may spice na siya. Either spicy or either peppery. Pero ito, being ordinary or being simple as this lechon is already worth it. So, worth to try ba tong Binondo? Dito sa Masangkay Lechon? Yes!